In today's stock market, you need to look for reasons to buy stock because the stock market is going down, but some stocks will go up. And I believe there are two reasons to buy Lockheed Martin. The first one is called a HIMAR. This is what it looks like. The second one is called an F-35. This is what it looks like. We've got a war going on over in Europe, and we have an aggressor by the name of Vladimir Putin. He's been pushed back and didn't achieve what he wanted because of the HIMAR. Now, NATO is recognizing to stop him even further, they need to address the F-35. I'll explain to you in here, I'll bring you up to speed, and then maybe you can make a good decision on why to buy Lockheed Martin stock.